Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. How to grow your Instagram Reels. 1. Understand your audience. Identify preferences. Know what your audience enjoys and tailor your content to those interests. Analyze insights. Use Instagram's analytics tools to track what types of Reels perform best. 2. Create high-quality content. Visual appeal. Ensure your videos are clear, well-lit, and visually engaging. Sound. Use trending or high-quality audio to enhance your Reels. Instagram's music library can be a good resource. Editing. Utilize editing tools to make your Reels dynamic. Quick cuts, transitions, and effects can keep viewers interested. 3. Follow trends and challenges. Trend participation. Stay updated with current trends and incorporate popular challenges or themes into your Reels. Hashtags. Use trending hashtags relevant to your content to increase visibility. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Engage with viewers by responding to comments on your Reels. Encourage interaction. Ask questions or prompt viewers to share their thoughts to boost engagement. 5. Optimize posting times. Schedule posts. Post when your audience is most active. You can use Instagram Insights to find optimal times. 6. Use captions and text overlays. Catchy captions. Write engaging captions that encourage viewers to watch until the end. Text overlays. Add text to emphasize key points or add context to your Reels. 7. Collaborate with others. Partner with creators. Collaborate with other influencers or creators to tap into their audience. Shoutouts. Give shoutouts or feature user-generated content to build community and reach. 8. Promote across platforms. Share on stories. Cross-promote your Reels on Instagram. Stories to increase views. External sharing. Share your Reels on other social media platforms or embed them on your website. 9. Experiment and analyze. Test different styles. Try various content styles and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. Review performance. Regularly review performance metrics and adjust your strategy based on what works. 10. Stay consistent. Regular posting. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers.